So hello friends, welcome to this Mac Gamer channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about how can you change your Zoom meeting, how can you switch your Zoom meeting from your phone to straight up to your computer, laptop, PC, anything. Alright, so what you'll need to do is, the first thing, you'll need to have Zoom Workplace installed on both your phone and your computer. So this is the first thing you need to mandatory do it. Guys, before we start the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Mac Gamer, because you'll need this channel in future, because we explain each and every technical difficulty, 100% working solutions, easy solutions on our channel. So be rest assured. And friends, on top of that, also don't forget to visit our website macgamer.com after you finish this video. So let's just jump on straight to this video right now. So I'm just gonna show you how does it look when you switch from your phone to computer or your computer to your phone. So the first thing we are going to do is start a meeting on a phone. Alright, so here we start a meeting on a phone. Make sure that you also have your Zoom Workplace opened on your laptop as well. So here it is friends. As you can see, as soon as I opened a meeting on my phone, we can clearly see on a desktop, on a computer or a PC, on a laptop's Zoom Workplace, you can see that a switch button has appeared. Alright, and as soon as we click on switch, the meeting gets straight up switched to a laptop. And this is how it works. Very much easy. See guys, this is how it works. So here it is, the meeting has been switched, and the same time, now you can see on our phone that we have a switch button on our phone, because our meeting has been switched to a laptop. So now we are having switch button on our phone. As soon as we click on switch on our phone, boom, we get the meeting on our phone right now. And now on a laptop, the Zoom Workplace is showing a switch button because the meeting has been switched to our phone right now. That's it. Clearly easy solutions on our Mac Gamer channel. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll be meeting soon. Also to visit our macgamer.com website for detailed text explanatory results, articles, everything. Bye bye, take care.